Hello and welcome to Vent with VSquare, an honest attempt to answer all your technical and entrepreneurial questions from leading industry experts at VSquare Systems Private Limited. VSquare is a niche technology boutique shop which has been catering to new age technology since the last 10 years. VSquare is headquartered in Texas, USA, and has offices in California, Europe, Dubai, and India. Today, on the occasion of the 10th anniversary of this venture, I would like to interview the founder and CEO of VSquare Systems, Mr. Ajay Deshmukh. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, firstly, I would like to congratulate you on the occasion of successfully completing 10 years of your venture. Sir, my very first question to you is, what does VSquare stand for?
Right. So if you see VSquare, V and square, right? That is how you can spell in English. Actually, in mathematics, we can say V plus V. That is VSquare. So first V stands for vision and the second V stands for victory.
Right.
So what it means is, if you have a right vision, your victory is assured. So that is the logic behind keeping this name VSquare. And our tagline is right vision, assured victory.
Interesting. So my next question to you is, what was your 10-year entrepreneurial journey like?
Good question. Actually, it's interesting. I was not at all interested to start this venture at all. Before starting this venture, I was an executive director in a MNC and I got promoted. They offered me to relocate to US permanently. And that excites me, right? It was a dream of every techie who is working in IT. Then I met my dad. I told him that I got this opportunity and now I am shifting to US permanently with my family. He said, okay, what you will earn? What is that you are shifting to US? I said, I can earn a lot of money. He said, apart from that, what? And there is no answer to this question. So he said, okay, do one thing. You start your own venture rather than going to US. That way you can contribute a lot in the society. As far as money is concerned, there is a word in the Marathi called prarabdha. If in your prarabdha money is there, you will also earn that sitting in India. No need you to go to US and relocate to US and settle there. Better you stay here, start your own venture, and then contribute to the society, generate the jobs, help people. That way you are contributing in India's growth. So that excites me, and that is how I started this venture without any plan. So day one, I was not sure what to do. That is how I started my journey. Over the period of time, I learned many things. I met a lot of good people. I met a lot of mentors, entrepreneurs from the same field, from the different field. They taught me a lot. And today I am fortunate. I enjoyed this journey. No doubt there was a lot of turbulences in this journey. But today I can say I enjoyed this because the people whom I met, it was not possible at all to meet these guys without starting this venture. I learned a lot. I met billionaires, trillionaires of the world. They taught me many things. And the only take from all this 10 years journey is have a patience. And then whatever you started, do it with full energy, full confidence. Failures and success is a part of the journey, right? For me, if you ask me, this is not a philosophy. But if you ask me, failure, there is nothing called as failure or success. It's all about experience.
That's right.
Right. So this is how I enjoyed my last 10 years journey.
Thank you for sharing this peculiar yet interesting journey of yours. Now let's look at how IT industry has been influenced by recent geopolitical situations. We all know the changes that have been incorporated in the H-1B visa rules. So from your vantage point as a CEO, what do you think would be the immediate effect of this on the IT sector?
Right. So if you ask me, I will define today's situation, world situation, in one word. That is VUCA world. VUCA world. VUCA world. We all are living in a VUCA world, right? What do you mean by VUCA? Have you heard this word before?
No, not really. This is a new term.
This is a new term. This is, by the way, very famous nowadays in US.
Mm-hmm.
So all the top management people are discussing this VUCA world every now and then in all the meetings. First, VUCA. V stand for volatility, U stand for uncertainty, C for complexity, and A for ambiguity. So if you see across, right, there is volatility around you. Don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Uncertainty is from the business perspective. Tariff is playing a major role, right? And because of this, a lot of complexity in the businesses. Supply chain is almost disturbed. And there, because of all this, there is a lot of ambiguity. What is going to happen next, right? This is current situation of the world. It is not related with one country or one visa type issue, right? It is a bigger problem than that. We are actually living in a transformation. This current situation, I will define this VUCA world along with the transformation phase of our life.
Correct.
Now, how to, from the business perspective, how to manage this situation? The solution is again a VUCA solution. What I mean by VUCA is V is vision. Now, if you have a right vision, we all can understand from the IT perspective. 80% of the businesses as of date is coming from US. Now the situation in the US is volatile because of some situation. Now US is not the end of the world. There are other geographies which are growing fast. They are looking for digital transformations. So if you have a right vision, you can tap the other markets. Right. The next is understanding. So the second point is you have to understand which market I can go and tap.
Mhm.
If you have that clarity, right, and if you are following agile methodology, I think still there is a lot of business available in the globe. So this is how VSquare is going to address the current VUCA situation.
Now, this is an interesting perspective that you've given to the world. A follow-up question on this. So, do you think this would lead to more onshore hiring or more offshore delivery models?
Right. So I am facing this question almost every alternate day on the various platform. Right? It's a combination. First of all, let me tell you, India is no more a cheap labor. Okay, that concept is gone. We are the technical hub or technologist hub of the globe. Okay, so forget about cheap labor and all. So after this, almost many GCCs, as of now, there are 1,700 GCCs who are actually working in India. So this particular situation opens a door to start many more GCCs in India, especially around tier 1 and tier 2 cities in technology sector. So what it means is our guys, right, in India, there is a lot of opportunities for them.
Mhm.
Okay. Now you ask me about nearshore. Yes, so nearshore is going to grow. So what do you mean by nearshore? Is either in Canada or Eastern Europe.
Okay.
Right. So we are also exploring opportunities in countries like Hungary and Portugal to support the nearshore for Europe and for US.
By GCCs, you meant Global Capability Center?
Yes.
All right. So you're saying that apart from US, there are a lot of other markets that are there to explore.
Exactly. Africa is growing pretty fast. They are looking for a digital transformation. So there is a tremendous opportunity in the African market. Right. If you ask me, South Africa is a market which is next to US in terms of technology.
Wow.
Malaysia, Vietnam, Southeast Asia countries, they are growing very fast. Vietnam is a manufacturing base after China. So again, there is a lot of opportunity in this market.
Mm.
So US is not the option only for IT.
I think many people needed to hear this today. So now let's deviate to the hottest topic that is going on in IT, which is artificial intelligence, AI. Now, how do you think AI is reshaping the industry and the entire world?
Good. See, when I started my career in IT, there is something called as a very small IT department across the industries. That department is called as electronics data processing.
Mm.
Wherein we sit in a very small room and do some programming which is required for the organization. Over the period of time, what happened is all the organizations, their backbone is IT. That is the transformation. which happened between 2004 till 2015-16, right? This is the first transformation, major transformation happened. Now, survival without IT is impossible for any organization, right? See, AI is not new. If you are using washing machine at home or your mobile phones, right? AI is already inbuilt. See, the thing is, this AI is going to open lot of new opportunities for youngsters. What is required from our side is basically to get the knowledge of the AI, real knowledge.
By that you mean building the skill set.
Building the skill sets, right? Even VSquare is looking for AI engineers between 50 to 100. But we are not getting that talent in India. That is the real story. So if you are not getting anything in India, it's very difficult to get that outside the India in a global market. Because as I said, India is a talent hub of the globe. We are no more a cheap labor, right? We are really adding value in the global growth. So what I mean is AI is going to generate lot of new opportunities for everybody. Okay. But for that, you have to first understand how it helps, right? It is going to add lot of qualitative value in everybody's life. So getting right skill set, what is matter? That's it. AI is not going to eat any of the jobs. In fact, it is going to generate a lot of jobs. As of now, the data says 10 million AI engineers are required across the globe. 10 millions, it's a huge number. Right.
So as you mentioned earlier, this is just a transformation.
Exactly. This is a transformation from point A to point B. That's it. We have to reskill ourselves and then we have to think differently to address this issue. This is not an issue at all. This is an opportunity. So we have to grab this opportunity ASAP. And I know, I mean, we as Indian techies, we can take this quickly.
I think today's youth is so involved and invested in doing the SWOT and pestle of anything that they forget that every other fear that they are facing is actually just another opportunity. So thank you, sir, for sharing this with us. My next question is, how is VSquare differentiating itself from this crowded AI or data market? Is it the people, the processes, the service, the partnerships? What is it?
In one sentence, all, right? But first thing is, as a VSquare at a mid-sized company, as a management, we have to understand our market size very clearly, right? I cannot go and bid for projects which are worth $1 billion. That is not my market. So my market is mid-sized industries. A. B, what is required from the client perspective is domain expertise with technically very solid team. That is what we have. And what customer expects is promise less, deliver more. Right. So if you see in the last 10 years, there is not a single failure from the delivery perspective. And whatever business we are getting repeat business from the existing customer. And the best part is our customers, they are referring our name to their customers as well. That is how we are growing. So today we are working with Fortune 500 companies. Entire clientele of the VSquare is either in US or from Europe, and couple of them they are from Middle East. So now just think about this, how we achieved this. It is only through quality deliverables. So that is how I can say VSquare is differentiating themselves as compared to the, you said, crowded market. First of all, I don't believe in this terminology. There is nothing called as crowded market. There is a space for everybody. But the thing is, again, you have to understand your capacity, your capabilities. You have to identify your own market, right? That is the only thing which we are doing.
Now, as a founder who is hiring consistently, growing teams, what do you prioritize? Is it technical knowledge? Is it domain expertise? Or is it the soft skills?
Good question. Okay, so working in the knowledge industry, so technology is something which is a basic, a core of the thing, right? But apart from only technology, technical skill is not going to help. What as a VSquare we are looking at is attitude, because technical skills, technology is changing very fast nowadays. So we are looking for resources or associates or employees who are having the positive mindsets and learning attitude, because learning is a continuous process in IT. At this age of 52, I am learning a lot of new things every day, right? So similarly, I can expect from my colleagues who are working in the VSquare, and for them, we are actually conducting a lot of training programs in-house. So these are the two things. Technology is the core, but attitude, learning attitude, and can-do attitude, as I can do it. That kind of mindset we are looking for in our employees.
What about the domain knowledge? Do you think?
Domain is definitely important, right? Because you cannot teach domain over the period of one night. So that is equally important. But what we are looking for is a can-do attitude.
Right. So attitude is the thing that matters the
Positive
most
attitude.
when
Yes.
you are looking for a potential employer
Yes.
or when you are hiring.
Correct.
Now, in today's layoff recruitment cycle, we also have to address about the various problems that an entrepreneur faces. So now, in this 10-year journey of yours, what hurdles or what hard decisions did you ever have to make? Can you tell us about that?
Fortunately, in last 10 years, I never come across in situation wherein I have to take any of the hard decision. So if you see, even today also we are recruiting a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think again, what I will say is, if you have a right vision, market clarity, I don't see it's anybody for that matter come across this taking a hard decision kind of a situation.
Okay. So there was no hurdle that you would like to mention?
No, not really. I don't come across. Never in last 10 years.
Okay. Do you think some kind of, spiritual leaning of yours was responsible for that?
Definitely, yes. I do meditation a lot. So either in success or in failure, I keep myself very calm and cool. Okay. And I think that helps me a lot before taking any of the decision. All the decisions, whichever I took so far, they are very calculated, and meditation part of my life helped me a lot. And that is the reason why I can easily say I never come across any of the situation which asked me to take some drastic decisions. What you said is right, which is an integral part of any businesses. But again, maybe because of this, I never come across.
Wow. This is something that, that is new for all the viewers as well as for me. Now, to lighten the mood up, let's play a quick rapid fire round.
Sure.
So you need to answer the questions quickly without thinking.
Okay.
In a word probably, or in a sentence maximum.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me ask the question.
I'm ready.
Okay. So one technology you wish every engineer learned today.
Python.
Your favorite productivity habit as a founder.
Meditation.
Okay. One myth about AI you would like to bust.
It's going to eat a lot of jobs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you see VSquare in the next 3 years? And services team size markets.
It's almost going to be more than double as of today.
The team size.
Team size. And then we are going to open our offices in Southeast Asia, in Malaysia, and in Europe, either in Germany or in Portugal.
Okay, so that was very intuitive and that was very interesting. Now the next question and the final question. Any final message of yours you would like to give to the youth?
Yes, of course. So see, my only message to everybody, right, in today's world is, please keep yourself away from all the negativities which is spreading across different medias, maybe via social media or newspaper, TV channels, etc. Okay, there is a world beyond IT, so think about other fields as well. There are a lot of opportunities. If you think about IT, in IT there are ample opportunities. As I said, as of now, I have across the globe, of course, right? There are 10 million jobs available for the AI engineers, right? Which means people who knows AI. There are 10 millions, which is huge number. And then don't worry or don't overthink only about US. There is a world bigger than US. Lot of good countries are now coming up. They are offering jobs, visas to Indian techies, right? And they are they are doing a lot of huge digital transformation programs. Okay, so US is not the only country wherein you can think about when it comes to IT. Okay, I myself visited 40 different countries, and I am seeing a lot of transformation across the globe is going on, and everybody is very warmly welcoming Indian community, Indian tech people. Okay, so don't worry about it. There are a lot of opportunities for you guys.
So thank you so much for addressing especially this fear mongering that has been spreading, and also for your very knowledgeable insights. Let's have such sessions frequently, and thank you so much for spending time with us. Thank you to all the viewers as well.
Thank you for arranging this podcast.
Thank you.